everybody, Captain Freedom coming at you once again. In this video I'm going to build a chicken coop, and not that I've built any chicken coops ever, but I built a lot of stuff, and then this time I'm doing a coop. So I drew it out on a napkin one night after a few beers, and I thought it looked really cool. It looked like the barn because I really like how that turned out. And anyways, here's the finished product here. I just kind of skipped forward about a month and a half of pure work. But here is the finished coop, and it's not even dirty or anything yet because the chickens aren't even out there. But yeah, so anyways, I wish I would have taken a little more videos in between the start and the finish, but you know, sometimes you got to get it done, and the chickens were literally living in our bathroom at this time, so you can tell how excited I was when I got to move them into their new headquarters. Anyways, ventilation is pretty important with chicken coops, so I got these two large windows. One I made, and the other one I repurposed, and I've made these removable dowel rods that I wrapped in hemp twine, because that ventilation even on their feet is important. So the big clean out door here also doubles as ventilation in the summertime, because it does get rather warm, and it also, with the outer doors, it's kind of nice to close them up. It's not airtight, but I don't think that would be a good thing, and it's plenty good, so water does not really get in there. Boy, those little cluckers sure grow up pretty fast, don't they? Yeah, they were a little young to be laying eggs, so I decided to screw their egg-laying box shut with a piece of plywood temporarily until they got a little bit older. Hey, look, there's Blondie. My daughter Helena named her Blondie when she was younger, because she was pure white. Now she looks like kind of orange, but who knows. Anyways, there's that little roosting tree thing I made out of a bunch of branches, and let me tell you what, those chickens absolutely love that. They spend so much time out there.
Dad, there's an egg! Wait, one of the fake eggs is also missing. We got an egg! Yay!
Alright, here's part of the watering system. Comes off the rain barrel through the filtration sediment filter. Goes through this 2-inch PVC through a 3/4 inch return line. It has a pump on it, and it also has a heater attached inside the barrel, so when it gets really cold it'll turn on and keep it from freezing. So that works out pretty good. And those hanging little feeders there just supplements their calcium with oyster shells and grit whenever they need. And over here, these little 4-inch feeding tubes of PVC, they hold almost 3.5 weeks worth of food there. It's amazing. So you can actually go on a vacation, and with the food and the water, they're pretty much self-contained and good to go. So you don't really have to worry about them, but we like to go out there and play with them and hang out and talk to them and tell them all kinds of stories and stuff. So but we do have the capability of leaving for a while, which is kind of nice. Outside the coop, 24 inches all the way around it, I ran that same 1/2 mesh underground, and kind of hit it with that planter out there. I thought it looked really cool to have some pretty flowers out there. But the main reason was to protect the coop from predators digging under there, like coyotes and all kinds of stuff. We don't really have foxes, but anyways, that's why I did it. Trying to keep these guys as secure as possible, because man, they are really cool. We actually get on average about 5 eggs a day, 4 to 5 eggs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the Coop De Ville, as I did. It was really fun building it, and it looks good and services us pretty good, and the chickens are happier than heck. So stay tuned, subscribe,
and see you on the next project.